can also earn $88,000 by doing this translation side hustle. And all these YouTubers are talking about the same stuff, but they are not showing the actual method. This is where you can translate videos for other YouTubers who make their videos in only one language. For example, most United States vloggers speak English, but English is spoken by just 30% of the global population. Crazy enough, you don't even have to speak multiple languages, as there are so many free tools out there to help you get started and to make things clear. You so like the video and subscribe our channel Learn in Tech, and you don't need any followers or subscribers for this work. You don't need a website. You don't need ads or even a paid AI tool when you're getting started. But do you must take out 2 to 3 hours a day to make this happen? If yes, let's get started on the steps. The first step is to go on YouTube and look for a YouTuber you want to work with. It doesn't have to be a big YouTuber like Mr. Beast or PewDiePie, but there are so many famous vloggers that are just posting in English and are sitting on thousands of dollars. For example, I found this YouTuber Marco who does his amazing vlogs of doing free stuff for strangers, and while his content is in English, I still haven't seen his videos in other languages. Yes, that's how easy it is finding YouTubers to work with, but let's see how to contact them now. For contact, email is the best form. And here's how to find the email of any YouTuber you want. For example, I am here on Marco's page, and to find his email address, I will simply click on the More button and then choose the View Email Address option. Just solve the captcha to prove you are human, and there is the email. You can just copy it now that we have found the email. Let's move on to finding a video to translate. As an example, I will be translating a 9-minute video featuring Marco to demonstrate the process. First, copy the link to the video you want to work with, then go to a website called Anthigo. This platform allows you to generate a transcript from the video link. Once you're on the site, paste the link into the provided field and click on transcript. The AI tool will generate the complete script for the video. However, the script produced will likely lack proper punctuation, making it unsuitable for immediate use. To fix this, copy the unpunctuated script and bring it into ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT to punctuate the script perfectly, making it clean and readable. Once you have the punctuated script, copy it and proceed to the next step. The next step involves translating the script from English to any language you desire. For this, we will use Google Translate. Open Google Translate and set one side to English, the original language of your script, and the other side to the target language. For this example, I am translating the script from English to German. Paste the English text into the left side of the translator, and on the right side you'll see the German version. Once it's ready, copy the translated script for the next stage. Now it's time to convert the translated script into audio. For this step, we will use 11 Labs. After logging in, navigate to the voice library, where you will find various voice options categorized by language. Select the language you need, German in this case, and explore the list of available speakers. You can preview each voice to find the one that suits your needs. Once you've chosen a speaker, click on Add to Voice to proceed. Finally, paste the translated script into the text box provided by 11 Labs and click Generate. The platform will create an audio file of the translated text spoken in your selected voice. Once the audio is ready, you can download and use it as needed. Let's hear the German voice.
Schauen Sie es sich an. Das ist das Paket, das mir die MLB geschickt hat. Sie haben mich kürzlich kontaktiert, um ein paar Schuhe für einen ihrer Spieler, Mookie Betts, anzupassen.
For music. Once the final step is to combine the German audio with the original English video using CapCut. Start by opening a new project in CapCut. Import both the original video file and the German audio file you generated earlier. Once both files are imported, drag the video onto the timeline followed by the German audio. Next, mute the English audio track from the video so that only the German voiceover is heard. This ensures the video plays seamlessly with the translated audio. In some cases, you might encounter a scenario where the video is faster than the audio or vice versa. When this happens, you will need to make adjustments. You can cut parts of the video or audio to sync them properly. For my video, I had to slightly speed up the audio to align it with the video. Here is my final result. Check it out.
Check it out. This is the package sent to me by the MLB. Straight up. They recently hit me up to customize some shoes for one of their players, Mookie Betts. And they sent me the shoes. Look, they sent me 2 pairs of shoes. These are Jordan 1 cleats and this pair of Jordan 1 lows. I'm gonna be customizing both these shoes. I'm gonna do a lot of painting. I'm gonna cut up some baseballs, sew them on the shoes.
Schauen Sie es sich an. Das ist das Paket, das mir die MLB geschickt hat. Sie haben mich kürzlich kontaktiert, um ein paar Schuhe für einen ihrer Spieler, Mookie Betts, anzupassen. Und sie haben mir die Schuhe geschickt. Schauen Sie, sie haben mir 2 Paar Schuhe geschickt. Das sind Jordan 1 Stollenschuhe und dieses Paar Jordan 1 Lows. Ich werde beide Schuhe individuell anpassen. Ich werde viel malen, einige Baseballbälle zerschneiden, sie an die Schuhe nähen und
like the video and subscribe our channel. And if you want to make your own website for free and start earning from it, watch this video and want to earn money from Amazon without investing in single penny. So watch this video or visit channel for more amazing videos.